They call it practice. I'm still in practice, and I guess the day you get it perfect, you don't have to practice anymore. So you're always learning when you're doing surgeries. And Novadontics has always increased my education levels. Every year, every day, something new is coming out. Some new product is coming out to make surgeries easier, to visualize diagnostic techniques for imaging, so you can do better surgeries, so you can place implants faster, with better results, safer for the patient, and give them the confidence they need to move forward so they can improve their dental health.
So you can go online to the system at any time and you can complete CEs throughout the year. And these are high quality continuing education units. They come from Quintessence, which is the world leader in dental publishing. And the instructors and the lecturers are top notch. So now not only do you have a system that's helping you perform and execute your surgeries, but you're able to collect these critical continuing education units as a dental provider. So in the evenings after work, and if I'm at home with my family and they go to bed, I can actually go online and use the Novadontics platform and complete my CEs from the comfort of my own home.
Well, I find the power of the general dentist taking back implant dentistry from the specialists and then realizing that you're going to be held to a higher standard. So if you're going to be held to a higher standard, you need to arm yourself with the materials that are going to allow you to do the best possible dentistry. Well, number one, I think if you're not using Novadontics, then you're not pushing yourself enough. Because one of the great things about Novadontics is the fact that you can ask for a consult with somebody with more knowledge than yourself, or you can review much more difficult cases. And so again, it's this safety net of dentistry. And so if you're not doing it, then you're not pushing your own personal dentistry farther, and you're not able to get the best advice from the best professionals in the business.
So Novadontics has allowed us to access the most current surgical techniques, the best lecturers, and the best diagrams from Quintessence. We can access this immediately, get the knowledge we want, talk to the professionals we want, and provide these services for our patients. This continuing education is not available anywhere else that I know.